Another day and another dollar. Here we go, guys. How to make a salary day trading the stock market. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. Day trading two stocks. You can alternate between one or two, right? Every single day. That is the strategy. You don't have to go chasing, finding what stocks to trade. I'm going to simplify your life here in this video. With that, two stocks to buy and sell every single day. The two stocks I'm actually holding long term as well. And you holding in your portfolio too. With that being said, guys, here is an A to Z breakdown of a simple trading strategy that I'm going to be using in this stock market while I wait for my long-term flips. So the two stocks I'm going to be focused on every single day is MicroStrategy, which is strategy, and Marathon Holding. Just because if we look at the chart, you can see there's so much volatility, both up and down. MicroStrategy, same thing. Again, this is a Bitcoin stock. This is a Bitcoin AI stock, which means volatility, and that's all you need. You don't need to go looking for scanners and ways to trade them. Guys, just learn this strategy. What you have now, for example, we're going to be trading Mara most likely. This was the last closing day. Big red, a couple of reds. Your job is to come in and find the support. Because it's in a hot industry that retail is focused on constantly, it will always find some kind of buying pressure. So again, we're right here at support. You can see the support levels right here. And if I drag it, we can see it's at support level. Actually, it's pre-market now. It's kind of somewhat green. So most likely what I'm going to do is look for an explosive move on the open. It's now $11 or so pre-market. So this is the support level has been established. We understand that there is some kind of a V-shaped potential to play out today. So basically, this is us. You can see Mara is now at support. Look here. All of these green candles are basically buying opportunities. And the stock right now, it's up and down and zigzagging, but that will stop being the case as the company starts to produce and develop and it starts to be attractive for retailers long term. All right, so market just opened. We're straight to the races. 11.17 it opened. Here it is. It's going to grab liquidity at $11. I want to enter, or close to that, I want to enter. So I'm going to enter 2,000 shares here, long. So I just opened 2,000 shares. And although I'd like to think that my shares will move the market, of course, it's not the case. I do have actually a couple of 100,000 shares of this trade long term. So anyways, this is now retracing. I think we said $11 just to grab this wick was usually, something you would find on the open is a wick grab and then recovery. But in this case, because it's been oversold, it wants to continue higher. Anyways, we're now $70 on 2,000 shares. There was somebody said, you're using a lot of capital. Well, I'm using now 20,000, right? On 20,000 position, you're gonna see what the return could potentially be like. So what I want to teach you here, guys, is the one trade a day strategy. And as long as you can pin it down, the one trade a day strategy, you'll be fine. You'll find consistency. You'll find profitability. You don't have to watch videos about how to be profitable. This is the market for stock trading. This is the market for one trade a day kind of trading. And here we go, guys, almost $200. The exit for this, of course, I can look for that quick scalp of $150 and walk away. Or I could look for another couple of cents here. I could go for $150 maybe. Again, it is pushing, it is aggressive just because it's oversold or has been sold off heavily the last couple of days. So what I'm going to do is take $200 here, okay? And then we move on to another stock. Let's have a look at MicroStrategy. It's now 96. Again, it's also a stock that has been sold off aggressively. So let's have a look at strategy. Strategy also, it opened red. And again, there's some support levels here it could give us. Today we're going to go outside of the one trade a day and go for two trades. So I opened 500 shares here on strategy. So the reason why I did that is because, again, strategy is a volatile stock. It's going to pull back to a level. I'm not using stop losses for this just because with stop losses you will get triggered. Because I actually hold these trades long term already, my confidence level is high in holding them overnight. But unfortunately, because I am in a leveraged trade or position, I'm going to have to be careful with my size and most importantly, how I hold overnight. And I think that's important if you're going to be day trading, is not to hold overnight. So you need to have a strategy that says, if I take a red, I take a red today. right? But of course, if you're pinning it down like I'm pinning it down here with the V-shaped patterns, you know, your life can change dramatically for the better. No more looking at YouTube videos, how to be profitable, how to stop losing money. By the way, I shared this exact game plan today here on the chat room, the day trading chat room I have, which you'll find in the link in the bio. Mara, straight rocket or V-shape on the open. Exactly what happened. However, we're no longer in Mara. We took $200 from that. Again, I could hold this all day long, but because I am a day trader, I don't have to do that. I already have long-term positions, like I said, in these trades, and that will be the big sums of money. But for this style of trading, we're just here to make a quick salary and bounce. And here it is. MicroStrategy, by the way, is now in the profit zone. Once this flips to $96, I will most likely close this position. I don't care if it goes higher. That's not my business as a day trader. What I'm trying to do here is make a salary and walk away. All right, so it looks like we have gotten 250 secured. All right, that is now almost $500 secured, exactly as what the video has promised you guys to deliver, and it did exactly that. And that's how you trade, guys. Now, what you just seen wasn't high frequency. It was a calculated strategy. Entry, exit. We knew exactly what to buy before we even bought it. We knew exactly what was going to happen, even shared it on the chat room. And that's because I've mapped the volatility, because I've been watching those two stocks for months. And that's how you simplify your trading. You don't have to look at scanners. You don't have to get crazy with it. Just slow things down. Take your one trade a day, and that will eliminate a lot of gambling, a lot of over trading, and a lot of headache. Because when you're in the markets daily, there's chaos. There's too many things moving. If you just master this and stick to the one trade a day strategy, you will find consistency. You will get greedy, which is why I suggest most of your capital is long-term, open swing trade. So even when you day trade, if you're having a bad day, you can look at your portfolio and say, oh, well, I just made a lot here. And that cancels out whatever emotion you have going on from day trading. That's the strategy. That's my approach going forward. That's how I'm going to do that, guys, or do day trading here on this channel. And you're going to see more of these tutorials on this channel. So I suggest you guys smash that like button. Make sure you're subscribed if you're new to this channel. And just stay close, because after this period in the stock market, the next 2 years, you're going to be forced to day trading, and or back to day trading. And you're going to be forced to do certain things maybe you're not happy with. As time goes, returns diminish. And of course, we're not going to be playing the markets long term when the markets is too expensive down the line. So we will have to go down to this path or this road of day trading. Alright guys, that's me done. Thank you guys for tuning in. Consistency is the name of the game. This is the way to get it done. Bye.